presentation is to the Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills, Shri Ram Singh. Next is to the Director of Tourism.
So sorry. Pushing you more and more back. So sorry. Pushing you more and more back. Thank you.
Our next presentation is for Shri Kanki Dharam, Commissioner of Taxes, Government. Our next presentation is for Shri G.P. Dulal, Assistant Commissioner, Department of Excise, Government of Sikkim. And our final presentation is for Shri.
And the Chief Whip of the government, Shri Marcus N. Marak, our respected Chief Secretary, Kong Rebecca Suchiang, our Commissioner Secretary, our Deputy Commissioner, Director Tourism, Secretary Information and Public Relations, our officials from the Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Government of Sikkim, Government of Assam, all the other officials who are present out here, all the respected madams who have come here for this program, and all my dear friends who have joined us here on this. We had initially decided to have this program last year, but due to different circumstances and situations that we faced because of COVID, we were not able to host this. Because as our state prepares to celebrate its 50 years of statehood, which will be on the 21st of January 2022, we have decided to kick off the entire program of a large number of activities to celebrate this 50 years of statehood. I have unveiled the 50 years celebration logo for the state, and I would like to thank the DIPR for having taken the initiative to come out with this very beautiful and, more importantly, a very meaningful logo for the 50 years celebration. Just about 5 kilometers away from here, the government of Meghalaya has started the construction of one of the largest tribal research institutes in the entire region. This is a program funded by the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India, where approximately 50 crores is being spent to create an infrastructure that will have space for research, have space for documentation, have space for celebrations, for training, for having different festivals and different kind of sports activities related to tribal culture. And the important part about this institute is that it will not be restricted only to the Garo tribe or the Khasi tribe. But we intend to make this Tribal Research Institute a very vibrant, a very inclusive one, where we should be proud of, something we should let others from other cultures experience, and something that we would like different states and different cultures and different tribes to share among each other. And that is why today you will have some of the breweries from Arunachal Pradesh, some from Sikkim, some from Assam, and some from Meghalaya. And the people who will come to this festival will be able to experience all of these cultures in one place. So next time in the Megong Festival, we may have the tribal sports of the different tribes being showcased in this festival. After that, it may be the different languages or the different literatures that may be presented to the people. So as we go along, as this annual event takes place, the themes might change every year, but the crux of ensuring that the tribal identity and cultures are maintained, are kept, are properly documented, are preserved, and most importantly, are celebrated is the real objective of this particular festival. So in the future, once the Tribal Research Institute, which we expect should be ready by 1st of September 2022, we intend to host in this particular area itself some of the programs in that Tribal Research Institute. So this is a glimpse into what we really plan to do in the medium term and in the long term, and we intend to make this festival an annual event and allow different people to participate in this particular festival. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all our guests who have already arrived and many guests who are on their way to this particular location. We have people काफी कुछ होगा, तो आप सबको एक बार फिर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Anika Sara, Pingram, Untamansa, Yasomeni Baku, our Department of Tourism, Arachini, Black District Administration Officer को, our organizing committee member को Bakchin, Tenaska. मैंने ये तालो मेगोंग फेस्टिवल actually गाँव का या इंस्टीट्यूट ने फर्स्ट फेज को चला इनोवेट करना सोंगेगा आलो वो सोंगे बच्चा प्रोग्राम को मार्के लेबा वक्त यापन मुखांशिबा ऐसा फेज यानो ऐसा फेज को ट्राइबल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट हो इसका नेक्स्ट ईयर बा मुखांशिबा इसका या ट्राइबल प्रोग्राम को बा मेगोंग फेस्टिवल को चला वो मार्के यह फेस्टिवल को दालो ऑर्गेनाइज करनी सुमानी को एचमापिया बखांग बक्सीबा actually मेघालय स्टेट की ट्राइबल आंसर होता दिबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट कम्बाक ने आरो नाप पे actually इंडिया कम्बाक की ट्राइबल आंसर छा यह आपनर बाइबल ट्राइबल फेस्टिवल को छा पाता सोंगिया उन्हें कमन यस खांगपा पापा कामरा मकना नपुया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आरो बा नंदा पतनी छोरा पापा यारो बच्चा बुखांगुची एवं रिव्यू पाथाइगे दिबा दालो ना मेन या प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज कहा और उस खांगपा प्रोग्राम को आनी उमर और पानी फ्री लोंगेन ना महा अने दालो अच्छी तमनिया उन्हें कमन पुछा था आचनी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी और अच्छी डिपार्टमेंट ब्लॉक ऑफिसर और अच्छी लोकल एमएलए हाँ थॉमस के सामा को yan ang main pa ni Gong Festival ko na may organize kanina sa time sa Kanchikon ang ayaw sumay ba ng Felas ka. So friends, with these few words, once again,
Em thấy cái máy đâu chị em cái tu ốm nụ của Ninh Anh á.
왜 우리 하발레 시키는 게 뭐왜?
Tadi saya itu máy bao của Ninh Anh. Amla kalau ini. Kamu kan sama saya.
सिक्किम से थैंक यू। आपके सीएम साहब को बुलाया मैंने, बल्कि थोड़ा बिजी है, अभी नहीं आ पाएंगे। सिक्किम नहीं ना, सिक्किम तो खिलाई थोड़ा टेस्ट करते हैं हम लोग। बहुत लंबा है ये, लीजिए मेरे साहब को दीजिए, फिर लोग ये क्या है? They've been taken care of for staying in. Yes, sir. They're staying. Oh, Tura.
A fashion show by the Saika Dakar with filler acts.
Okay. Let's try छोटा सा खुला होना चाहिए। ये सीएम साहब उधर, ये कौन सा वाला है?
दिस इज नॉर्मल सर, नॉर्मल वाला।
ये वाला कौन सा है? उस दिन वो इनॉग्रेट किए
जी, यह नॉर्मल होगा।
पता नहीं क्या है, 3 दिन पहले
नॉर्मल का
तो मैंने उनको लिखा कि मैंने कहा कि उनको बोलना मत, मैंने आपको बताया। तो मैंने कहा कि यार, मैंने कहा सीएम साहब आप इस फोटो में बहुत सीरियस हो। मैंने